Make the ground shake.
Alright guys, welcome back to another vlog. We are gonna, well, it's not really a vlog, it's like a video. Today we are gonna be, uh, let me just, show you. It involves these, and I don't know, like, it's pretty cool. It's also pretty cool. This one's glow in the dark, it spins much faster because I put some oil in it to make it spin faster. This one I haven't put nothing in. It still spins faster. But I think you guys but I think you guys already know what I'm gonna do. Alright guys, so I just wanna go get my goggles. Oh my god. They're so clear. So this is a spinner that I want to break because I wanna make another spinner, a custom spinner, and I'm gonna start it at school. And I wanna break it. So I made this thing, put little holes on the end. So this is gonna go here. And as you can see, it really spins freely. And if it pops, it's gonna pop in there. It's not gonna hurt me. Or at least I hope it's not. And a big shout out to Andrew Marquez. Alright, so I just brought the compressor. I like to use Husky stuff because, for one, they have good warranty, and because they're better. I got this for the air thingy. Put that there. Now we're gonna get that thing. This is for the air could come out of this tube even faster. So let me just quickly set it up, and then we'll just start doing the 1,000 mile per hour fidget spinner. I'ma let it quickly fill up, and then when I turn it off, it's gonna be quiet, cause I need it to be quiet for this experiment. So let it just quickly fill up, and then after I'm gonna turn it off, so you can do that. It's almost done. There it is. Let me just quickly turn it off, and then we could do this. You may want to stand over there because I think you're gonna stand somewhere over there. Like, stand behind that sheet metal. Look over there, where you can see it. Yeah, perfect. Oh my god, that's good. All right, here we go. Oh my god. I'm scared. All right. Oh my god. Yeah, that's freaking crazy. Alright, thumbnail. Oh my god. Let me just turn it on real quick. Alright guys, so I'm gonna try free-handed now. Oh, what the hell? It threw me back this square piece. Now I'm gonna do it again and throw it higher. Oh! They just popped out. Have this one. This one. Oh, this one doesn't want. Oh, there it is. And this one. Whoa. It's just a metal piece. I guess it's just for weight. So now I want to take out the inside. And I'm just going to cut it. Right here and right there. And take out the inside if I can make myself a new one. Custom one. Alright guys, so what I just did, I just quickly popped out these caps. Then I just grinded a hole. Right there. A line. And then this thing just popped out. That's exactly what I need. So now we're gonna put some WD-40, even though it's really bad, but just for the sake of it. Wanted to go fast. No way. Hear this. No way. This thing goes really fast now. Alright guys, so that's all for today, but see you guys tomorrow, and tomorrow's gonna be a really good video. I have a lot of things planned for tomorrow. So yeah, see you guys later. Peace. You guys, this is vlog extras. Leave in the comments what should I do next, because I'm gonna have a free day tomorrow. So leave in the comments.